Hi guys, my name is Vishali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about that you should always fall for actions and not for the words. So let's get into the video. See, words are really one of the most beautiful things, and it felt really nice when someone expressed themselves and expressed their feelings for you and whatever. But only when those words matches to their action. If they are not, let them talk and you walk away. Actions build trust. See, no one's take that person seriously who only say that I'll do that, I'll do that, I'll do that, but never make it. You know, you will automatically start taking that person so lightly, like whatever he just say or she just say, they don't do anything, let them talk. But the person who don't even say and do that, you will automatically start to thinking like, yeah, that person don't even need to say something, he or she just did it. And with that action, the trust automatically build. And actions also tell that where you stand in someone's life, like in their priority list. If someone is keep telling you that you are the top most priority in their life but doing nothing for you, not even asking you how was your day, no, you are not even close. And the other person is constantly taking care of you and asking you and doing everything for you, making you feel special, and not saying that you are the topmost priority in their life. But you will eventually you will know that you are so important to them. See, the person who always play with words is the most lazy and most the person you should not trust kind of person. Making plans and sharing the ideas are good thing, but they won't change anything until you take actions for that. To make a change, you need to take action, you need to do it. Your words can't do it, you need to do it by physically. Communication, interaction, and telling your intentions are all very beautiful things, but they only feel good when you do them practically. Telling someone that I'll do that for you, it does, when you hear it, it does feel really good, but it can only make someone trust you when do it practically. Otherwise it won't matter what you said. See, words can really touch the heart, but action is the only way to build trust. If you are saying, someone is saying to you, I love you, you're the only person that I care about, and you are the only person in my life, but behind your back they are cheating. So you really think those words mean something? No. But even a person is not saying this. All they're saying in taking care of you and doing everything for you and telling you that they love you, and doing nothing behind your back, staying loyal, doing everything for you, making you feel everything that you are. Do you think that that person need any type of words to express their love? No, because they are already expressing themselves with the actions. See, never try to understand a person by their words. Never. Always look what they are doing, how they are behaving, because this is the only way you can learn about that person, that who that person really is. Because everyone can play with the words, but not with their actions. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I will come back tomorrow with something new, with something more interesting. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you. Bye.